Welcome to SAR Technology's online Searchlight Image Locator software. This demonstration will show you how to segment your images before scanning, an important step when the target object is expected to be quite small within the entire image. Segmented images are typically used when the camera is a long way from the target object. For example, a search aircraft looking for a tiny life raft, a drone looking for a missing hiker, or a helicopter looking for a missing vehicle in the backcountry. The goal is to make the segments just the right size so that the target object nearly fills the segment. This provides the best opportunity to detect the small object within the much larger image. The segment guidelines provides recommendations for different types of target objects. First, we load our image files into Searchlight by dropping them directly onto the web page, or by browsing an entire image folder. You can then mouse over Choose Files to confirm the list of image files that you have just uploaded for segmenting and scanning. Next, select the category of object that you would like to scan for. In this example, Vehicles Off-Road, from this drop-down category list. You could also select Score Sorting to display the highest scoring images at the top of the scan report below. Now we'll expand the Upload Segment Selection area at the top of the browser. Click Segment Images and then choose an image that is typical of the collection that you have just uploaded. Then set or directly enter the number of rows and columns that you wish to segment the image into, in this case, 6 columns and 4 rows. Don't worry, we can easily change these later. Now click Display Segment Image to display the example image with the segment grid. You can now change the number of rows and columns by entering these in the 2 fields above, and then click Display Image Segment again to redisplay the new segment grid. If the entire area is to be scanned, then none of these segments should be grayed out. If part of the image does not require scanning, for example, sky or fixed window frames, etc., then click on the segments that you want to gray out. Excluding these segments will save a lot of processing and reporting time. To quickly select a large number of segments to gray out, Alt-drag the mouse across the segments. Once you have selected all the segments you wish to scan, you may click on Save Current Collection, and this selection will be used on all of the segmented images in the same batch. Now we can minimize segment selection and note that our segment selection choices appear under Segment Images in the main Searchlight window. Now we click on Scan Image Files to begin segment scanning all of the uploaded images. The scan report auto-sorts and displays the images, with those containing the target object, in this case vehicles, towards the top of the list. Note that even partial images of the target are also recognized and displayed near the top of the list, in this case, the vehicles that we are searching for. and then the segments that do not contain the target object appear towards the bottom of the list. If the segment image has location properties, then these will also be displayed in the details section of the report with a lat-long value and a direct link to Google Maps. Finally, it is recommended that you print to PDF this scan report file to keep a permanent record of your segment scans in this batch. Thank you for watching SAR Technologies' Searchlight Image Locator software, the premier online tool for high-speed image recognition and location.